My name is Tom Ireland. Thank you for taking less than 6 minutes to watch this video about my book on information technology strategic leadership. This book is in 3 sections. Section 1 is about strategic leadership. Section 2 discusses strategic vision. Part 3 is strategic planning. The premise is that great IT leadership combined with clear vision can result in a great strategic plan. I discuss the operational vision required by technologists, administrators, and managers, and the strategic business vision needed by executives. And I explain how both operational and strategic vision are required in an enterprise. I discuss how mission and vision in an embryonic enterprise eventually separate into a long-term mission and an evolving vision. The process I recommend, and I have used for over a decade, takes the reader through vision and infrastructure development to a planning method that results in a strategic target. Enterprise strategic vision is the basis for all planning. The enterprise strategic vision is established by the executive staff. The IT strategic vision and the enterprise operational vision are directly developed from the enterprise strategic vision. The IT operational vision is dependent upon and supports the enterprise operational and the IT strategic visions. The beauty of the process I describe is that there is a feedback between these vision elements that results in a stronger, more competitive enterprise strategic vision. This feedback process is repeated as necessary to reach an optimal vision set. At some logical point in the process, an integrated enterprise vision and an integrated IT vision can be defined and put into brief vision statements. In a process similar to that used to create the proper vision elements, the established vision can be used to describe an infrastructure that makes it possible to achieve the vision. The goal is to assure that your enterprise operates in the green portion of this chart. To make this possible, you must establish a strong strategic vision that drives an integrated rather than fragmented infrastructure. This strategic vision, driving an integrated infrastructure, will result in a precisely defined strategic target. Each planning cycle has a strategic target, and that strategic target is normally about 2 to 5 years into the future. Using the process I have successfully employed and taught to others will result in a close to linear tactical path over multiple planning cycles. The result is reduced cost of operation and a much more competitive enterprise supported by an information technology team that knows precisely where it is headed. I stress that this chart is merely an example. It represents an IT team which once saw itself as only a technical tool, providing an infrastructure that had a variety of elements of back office support. The enterprise regarded the IT team as a business overhead function. Through this planning process, the IT team became a sales accelerator because it became a pervasive business resource across all elements of the core enterprise. The strategic result is that the information technology team came to be regarded as a catalytic business tool, which made the entire enterprise more competitive. Again, I stress that this chart is merely an example. A significant benefit of this process is that it can lead to a one-page chart that can be placed in plain view of all information technology team members so they can be constantly reminded of the plan. At the top of the chart is the vision infrastructure matrix, showing the strategic target for the team. Immediately under the chart is the vision for the IT team. The benefits of achieving that vision are then listed in bullet form. Finally, the bullet list of actions that must be taken to achieve the benefits and the vision are briefly stated. I emphasize that this process works. I and others have used it repeatedly to great success. I believe it can be successful for you too.